What's happening, Dustin with Dustin's Customs? Here are some Black Friday deals for your 99 to 04 Mustang and even your SN95, because that's basically the platform. Right here we're on American Muscle looking at some camshafts. These are the stage 4s. They're marked down to $528. Pretty good deal. That's not a huge difference, but it will do. One thing that I've noticed right here is the Bama free tunes for life, but VMP is now offering tunes through American Muscle, and you got 25 off $2.99 or 80 off $11.99. So if you're buying wheels, you get $80 off, and then there's the up to 60% off of select items in the store. The $80 coupon you see there. Open box sale, I did find some rather good things in the open box sale, so that is worth checking out. Kind of scrolling through and looking at the different things that they got here, and we'll go ahead and jump right into this open box sale. And I found myself a SCT MAF sensor. I will need that with my turbo setup, so I end up putting it in my cart. Basically it's a bunch of rims, like usual. It's always rims, lights, hood props or hood struts, that kind of thing, fenders, bumpers. There's a Cobra bumper on there that's actually pretty cheap. Going on and looking at other things, this wheel right here was $32. I couldn't believe it. It said it had a few scratches. They're $160 a piece, so you can get yourself a 18x9 FR style kind of wheel for pretty cheap. You start off with the first one for $32. Scrolling down, you'll see that there is many more things, and right here is where I spot this SCT MAF sensor, 90 millimeters. So almost $100 discount. You really can't beat that. I'm actually contemplating it while I'm making this video. It's in my shopping cart right now. If it's there when I go back to it after I do this video, I think I will definitely purchase it. And right here you can see that they have a rear end kit rebuild for $55. You got to read these descriptions. Sometimes they're missing things, or sometimes they're scratched, or sometimes someone just returned it. Some body kit things, some stripes, and like always, many more wheels. Let's go ahead and go to page 2. Check it out, and just the same thing, more wheels, hood struts like usual. Normally the hood struts are missing one strut. You can actually find those on eBay, so if you buy the hardware, some hoods, and that's it. Let's go ahead and go to the next website here. Modular Head Shop, Black Friday sale, 11/23 to 11/30. First thing I do is I check out the ARP Fasteners. I already have them all for my build, but who knows, I might do another build in the future and need some more. Check out kind of what he has. Everything is kind of a variance in prices, $20 to $1, even $1 or $2 off. Really not too huge of sales right here. You can see $28 from $29, so $1 off. I'm sure he doesn't make very much profit on these, but you're gonna need them if you're gonna do a build, so it's a good thing to go ahead and pick those up. Go ahead and check out, went over to Lethal Performance, just a little sneak preview of what's to come. And I think next we're gonna go down to these billet gears. They're actually pretty good. They're about $20 off on some, $180 from $200, and then your better ones are still $420, but you can get into a nice set of oil pump gears for around $200. Not a bad deal. Alright, so we jumped right in here to camshafts. I'm going to go ahead and check out some naturally aspirated camshafts and check those out. The degreen service does have a discount. The camshafts don't look to have a discount. Those he probably has labor into. I don't know if the CNC machine does those. I'm pretty sure they're not hand ground anymore, but who knows. There is a good deal on some valve springs and retainers, so if you're looking to upgrade and get rid of some valve float, probably a good idea to jump on Modular Head Shop and check out some of his stuff, because your top end could actually use some of this stuff at the price that he has it. It's not too shabby. Go ahead and check out 4-valve cams, because I am thinking about getting a 4-valve. Check out those prices. Like I said, not too much in the camshafts, but the degreen service and the accessories. Right here, we'll check out these springs. You can see that they are on discount. Right there, $170 for, I think that's like a stage 1 kit, up to 600 lift on a PI, and then pretty good deal on those. Those are probably something that I think people should jump on. That's a good deal. And 10% off all cylinder head packages. So go ahead and jump over to Modular Head Shop and check out what he's got. Now, he does have good deals on pistons right now. The problem is everything is a huge bore, a 3.700, or it's stock bore with a almost flat top piston, flat top, or a very small dish. So the compression would be full race mode with some of the stuff he's got. The other stuff is $100 off to, you know, almost $200 off. You just gotta go on Modular Head Shop and take a look at what he's got for sale. Okay, jumping right into Lethal Performance. Let's check out what they got. Mainly I go on here for fuel systems. They actually have pretty good fuel systems for anything, really. They have ways to adapt your factory fuel system, or even a full-on return style system. Whatever you want to do, you can kind of pick and choose and put things together. It's better off if you just buy an entire fuel system. I'm just kind of going through there and showing you their advertisement. And go ahead and type in 4.6, and then comes up, there's the fuel systems that I was looking at. And go down here and just click on all the results, and they're anywhere from $200 off to, you know, right around 150. So good deal. Go ahead and check out Lethal Performance for your fuel systems or any other part. Really, I just check out the fuel systems. I kind of pick and choose where I think it's a good idea to get parts from, and as you can see, they are heavily discounted right now for Black Friday. Alright, not last, but it is getting close to the end. We got one more after this. Shooting on over to Late Model Restoration. I'm sure that they will have another drop of Black Friday advertising and sales coming soon. Theirs was kind of, they use this Black Friday CM or Cyber Monday abbreviation. It's kind of confusing, actually. I thought the advertising was confusing. I always jump over here, suspension. I'm kind of a suspension junkie, I guess you would say. I love suspension. My car has fully built suspension on it. And checking out their deals. Finally, I navigated to find their deals. It took me a minute, and everything, you know, is fairly good price so far. I think the best thing I found was an American Muscle that said in perfect working condition, that MAF sensor that I found. So as soon as I film this video, I think I'm gonna go back and buy that if it's still there. Like I said, you can go ahead and check out what LMR has. They have a lot. From it starts off with Fox Body, and you kind of just got to scroll down to SN95, and it goes all the way to S550. Plenty of things for sale for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, as they call it. Up to the top. Now we're going to go ahead and jump over to Beefcake Racing, and it starts off with the first page with fuel systems that are on sale, $100 to $200 discounts, just like Lethal Performance or those other websites. Go ahead and check out Beefcake. You can get everything you can get anywhere else. I did not do CJ Pony or anyone else. I think these are the most popular for us Mustang guys. So I'm going to get off here. This has been Dustin's Customs with a Black Friday, Cyber Monday kind of go take a look and see what you want list right here. I'll see you later. Bye.